Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today the task is about Linux find command. So the task is during a routine security audit, the team identified an issue on the Nautilus app server. Some malicious content was identified within the website code. After digging into the issue, they found that there might be more infected files. Before doing a cleanup, they would like to find all similar files and copy them to safe location for further investigation. Accomplish the task as per the following requirements. On App Server 3 at location, find out all files, not directories having CSS extension. Copy all those files along with their parent directory structure to location official on same server. Make sure you do not copy the entire directory content. Right. Okay. First. So to accomplish this task, we need to follow the steps on the app server 3. The process will use basic Linux commands to find, copy, and preserve the directory structure. So let's find all .css files as per this. Let's find all .css files, not the directories within where www html official. We need to use find command to locate all .css files. We need to ensure that only files are selected, not the directories. Let's open in a new tab. Yeah. Now we have to find using find command. The path is where www html official. Space type is file f hyphen name double quotes asterisk anything dot css double quotes enter. Okay. So we haven't yet logged into the app server 3. We have to perform all the everything on app server 3. So app server 3 ssh banner at the rate IP address, press yes, copy the password, enter. I have copied the password and entered. Now here we can run that command. Find the path, which is where www html official space type. Here is the main thing. It is the file, not a directory. Hence we have given type as f hyphen name under the double quotes can contain anything dot css. Okay, there are multiple files. So this command does the following: find searches. You go up. So find searches for files and directories. This specifies the search starting point. Type -f. Ensures only files, not directories, are included. -name start.css filters the files with the .css extension. Okay, there are multiple files. Now, the second step is copy all those files along with their parent directory structure to the location /official on the same server. Now, find where www.html official type f-name, the same command which we have entered. I am giving that star.css pipe. This means this output we are passing it as a input to the next command. rsync -r space -files -from equal to hyphen slash slash official slash. So what is this command? Find. This command we have seen already. rsync synchronizes files and directories. -r preserves the directory structure of the source files. -files -from equal to hyphen tells rsync to take the file list from the output of the find. Slash specifies the source directory root, since we are using rsync to copy from the root, and this official specifies the destination directory. And okay, command not found. Find where www.html shall type f-name type rsync -r -files from equal to I think rsync we have to install. Sudo apt install rsync. Let's check. Apt. I think apt is not working. Is it yum? Yeah. Here it is saying bash rsync command not found. That means rsync is not installed. So I'm installing rsync here. Okay, now let's run the same command again. Okay, skipping any command contents from this failed directory. Permission denied. Maybe let's do one thing. Sudo and let's run this. Permission denied. So what I did is I changed the directory to this and sudo find dot. So everything in this, the same type and dot css we have executed to copy all the parents to the officials. So that find command, that part finds all the .css files in the specified directory till here, and exec rs copy parents. What it will do is it will copy all the parent directory, the directory structure, everything it will preserves, and the official it will say that the target directory where the files will be copied. So that way we can ensure all are copied. When if you try to run, it's done. We can check now. It's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's connect on the next one. Thank you.